So let's start today with a app, our website, right? So this is a Futurepedia, right? Might be seeing nowadays a lot of AI tools, right? So let's get into it, where you can find all the AI tools that are available. So the first one is Mewat, right? Mewat, the new royalty free music. Like you are a creator, you are a content creator, and a lot of time you are stuck in paying for the music and the background music, right? So you don't get to pay. This is a full free music because it's for content. And the favorite one is this is also very great to write that can help you in writing your content in a high quality. It also helps you in getting job. Like you wanted someone email, right? So it can get it from you. And let's see another one. Yeah, this is also a copy. Yeah, this is also great tool for content creators. Profile picture. You wanna create a profile picture? This can help you in that. And the chat GPT, favorite one. It can answer you any question, anything you want. Yeah, this one is here. Chat GPT. This is also. And I will also tell you one more. Like there are lots of things, but I cannot go into all of that. You can browse with your right now. Yeah, this is also one of the favorite replay. You can use it on your smartphone and as well as your PC. And Mixo, it can help you create AI video. And there are so lot of, so I cannot this is this, see what it was. Gita GPT is a website that uses artificial intelligence to help people get guidance from the Bhagavad Gita, an ancient Indian scripture, right? So you can try all of it.